I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at Showstoppers during IFA in Berlin 2012. I am speaking with Phillips Navin Natoewal. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Tony.
Excellent. Fantastic. Listen, for all of the people out there in bnetTV land, why don't you tell me what you're doing here at Showstoppers during IFA and why Phillips is attending the conference?
Yeah, so I work for a group called Media Interaction, and what we do is make technologies available to the market for user interaction, to make user interaction more natural. And we're here together with Display Search showcasing one of our latest innovations on user interaction technologies, and that's called the U-Want. And the Showstoppers event is a great event to meet all the press, analysts, and really promote our product.
So we just actually came from the Display Search conference in well, actually it wasn't in San Jose, it was, where was it?
I speak on their Monday conference.
What? Yeah, no, right, it wasn't in San Jose, it was in, oh my god, that's okay, I'm going to say San Jose.
Okay, anyway, you'll cut it.
So we just came from the Display Search conference in Southern California, or sorry, in Northern California, in San Jose this past couple weeks here. So there was a lot of talk around not only OLED, PLED, and the market space as a whole, but Display Search has actually got a conference coming up here during IFA, and there's been a lot of progressive technologies that have come out for overlay and a lot of the other Display Search technologies. What new things is Philips coming to market with? Because Philips was one of the first to come out with OLED.
Correct, and so I actually speak at their Monday's conference as a panelist, and what I'm focusing on is the user interaction. So you see, one thing is Display Search looks at the technologies part of it, but also look at the trends in smart TVs. And in our view, if you want to make smart TVs more accessible, you need a good user interaction model. Same thing that happened with the iPhone. It was not the first smartphone out there, it was not the first smartphone with an app store, but it was the first smartphone with a good interaction model, meaning the touchscreen. And in our view, and hopefully, and luckily Display Search agrees with that, is that if you should do the same evolution on a TV set itself. So you can have a great TV display, OLED, PLED, and name it all. You can have a great smart TV function with an app store, but you have to think about the user interaction model. So think about that good old remote control and see how that can enable you to unlock all of those smart TV functions. And we have seen research that we have done that actually that good old remote control that is typically tossed aside has a very big impact on what people perceive about the smart TV function and whether they use it or not use it. And so that can make or break the ARPU model of a smart TV.
Okay, so gesture was one of the big things that was spoken about at the conference, and of course, as we've seen in commercials, as we've seen in the market space, gesture control via the Kinect or via another gaming console, and coming back to the TV itself is gaining so much more traction in the market space. So, what more needs to be done, not only to educate the user, but what more needs to be done on the technology side?
So technology side, you have to look at how gaming, so the Wii and the Kinect have done a great thing on the game consoles, and I think that's great technology. But a TV is slightly different. It's a lean-back experience. Now you don't sit actively in front of the TV, you basically lie on the couch when you do a TV. So you need something that is kind of intuitive, has gesture control, but still has the lean back, and exactly that's what the U-Want tries to deliver.
And then finally, what is one of the things that Philips is going to be announcing here during the conference, or that we're going to see from Philips within the next 12 months?
So there's a few products that Philips announces. So we have the TV sides, that's basically Philips/TP Vision. Can't comment too much about their roadmap. And then, of course, there's CL products. What we are doing here is the technology side of Philips. So we're promoting the technology that we have in-house, and we offer for licensing.
And is there a partner program if partners want to get involved with Philips and how they inevitably build into that model?
Yeah, so we work with a lot of partners, of both the middleware, like the companies that provide the middleware in cable setup markets, but also smart TVs. So we have a partner program there, and at the same time we're working with all of the set makers to integrate our solution into their TV sets.
Fantastic, Navin. Thanks very much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here today at Showstoppers at IFA. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future.
Thank you very much, Tony.
I've been speaking with Navin Natoewal of Philips here at Showstoppers during IFA in Berlin 2012. I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV.